Mm, we should come out of this blame game. Many of us don't even bother to vote, and then we blame on the people who get elected on the vote banks. They have got their own vote banks. They have done enough of things to make that vote bank. The idea is not that the people who are in power, it is only their duty, we will keep blaming them. Today, if I am told to become something, some prime minister or something, I will be the biggest failure. I don't think so. I can take India forward, or any political party can take India forward without citizen support. Do need to support them. Government is a very important part. And anything which is happening good in the country, India Redefined has always supported that in last 2 years. There are all sorts of people, people from political parties also, people from corporate houses also, people from NGOs also, people from Anna's movement also, people from Baba Ramdev's movement also. In fact, when Annaji's movement started, there was a lot of difficulty which I faced. There were many children who were against India Redefined supporting the movement. There were many people who wanted India Redefined to support this movement. We wanted, I didn't know what to do at that time. My idea was only one thing: if something is happening good in the country, let us be the part of it. In fact, we had made such, I had sent to their creative department these posters, support Anna Hazare. That does not mean that only I support Anna Hazare only. Anything and anyone who can make India a happy country, we will support that. No party, no this thing is India Redefined, or no one single political party or a single movement uh, supporter we are. As we say, it is amalgamation of different visions. There is no one way to make India a happy country. To believe in one particular way does not mean that the other ways are not the other ways are not important. We have to make India a happy country by a collective responsibility. It will only be a collective responsibility when you all are with us. Me, Ranjana Kanti, today I want to say one thing to you. I'm not keeping too well. I'm not trying to take any sympathy from you. But it should not happen that such beautiful movement dies if something happens to me. It is people's movement. Anyone and everyone can take it forward. If you tomorrow tell me not to be a part of it, I will definitely resign from being the part of India Redefined. But please take this forward. Even in different countries, people have started the similar movements. You will not believe it. In Pakistan, Pak Redefined